Elevate your video calls and streams with the stunning image quality of your Nikon D3500, all without needing any special Nikon software. First, power on your D3500. Navigate to the setup menu. You'll need to find an option related to connectivity or USB settings. Look for Connect to PC. Once you've connected your camera to your computer with a USB cable, your computer should recognize it as a storage device, much like a flash drive. Now, let's get your Nikon D3500 into its live view mode. Press the LV button to activate the rear LCD screen. You should see a live preview of what the camera is capturing. In the shooting menu, find the movie shooting menu. Within this menu, locate the movie settings. We need to adjust one crucial setting here for our webcam setup. Scroll through the shooting menu until you find auto power off. It's important to set this to off or the longest available duration. This prevents your camera from going to sleep midstream. With your camera now power and set to live view, open your preferred webcam software like OBS Studio, Zoom, or Skype. You're essentially going to use this software to capture the live view from your camera. In your software, add a new video capture device. You won't see your Nikon D3500 listed directly as a webcam. Instead, you'll look for an option that allows you to capture from a DirectShow device or sometimes a screen capture option. Position your Nikon D3500 on a tripod or stable surface. Ensure your subject is well lit and frame your shot. Your camera is now functioning as a high-quality webcam, ready for your next virtual meeting or broadcast.